Well, the playground's especially important because the playground is the very first attraction that most families come to get out into the open space. It's probably one of the first places that kids learn to walk and crawl and climb and be physically active. It's what draws families into the park. So an attractive new playground has a lot to do with the health and vitality of every park in the city. Gratitude goes out to the University of Southern California who funded this new playground. It's at Hoover Park. We're in the shadow of USC here at Hoover Recreation Center, and it's just an example of the university investing back into their local community and giving back into the park system. So we're really grateful.